Hi, welcome to Holistic TV. I'm your host, Priscilla Williams. I'm so glad that you're here with me tonight. You are in for a very special treat. First, I want to start off by telling you that this coming up Wednesday, that's August the 8th at 7:30 p.m., I am hosting a free Holistic Living teleconference. Again, that's this Wednesday on August 8th at 7:30 p.m., I am hosting a Holistic Living teleconference. This means that you will be able to enjoy this teleconference via phone in the comfort of your own home while you're cooking dinner, or you're just relaxing, or you're just enjoying a night just cuddled up on the couch. You can enjoy this teleconference. So again, that's this Wednesday, August 8th at 7:30 p.m. I would really love for you to be my special guest. At this teleconference, we'll talk about everything you need to know to live a holistic life. Again, we'll talk about everything from living a life of purpose, enjoying your life's passion and applying it to your purpose, walking into your destiny and your calling, and then to top it all off, living a life of good health. Most of you all that know me know that I am a registered nurse and I provide chemotherapy to cancer patients. Not only do I infuse the chemotherapy, but I also mix the chemotherapy. I've been doing this for over the past 5 years now, and I really enjoy it. I thought that nursing was my life's purpose, but then I realized that nursing was just a vehicle into which God used to birth me into my purpose. So on this teleconference, I want to share with you some of my secrets that helped me get to my success. And then also, I want you to really think about and let it resonate on what God has for you and the calling that you're going to walk into in the rest of this year, 2012. So again, I would love for you to be my special guest. This is just the beginning of more to come. This teleconference, again, is free. All you have to do is go to www.opendoorhtc.com. That website again is www.opendoorhtc.com. This is my blog site. So when you go to this website, you'll be able to actually see the call-in number as well as the access code. And all of the information you need is right there. So there is no excuse. This is a year to walk totally into the gift that God has called for you. You no longer want to be stagnated. You no longer want to just walk in the norm. You don't want to go along with the status quo. But you want to live above and beyond what God has called you to do. So this year, let's stop with all the excuses and let's really walk into the gifts and purpose and calling that God has for us. I'm looking so forward to seeing you on August 8th. And remember, go to www.opendoorhtc.com and you can actually find all the information you need to be on that call on Wednesday night. I'm so looking forward to being able to partner with you. Thank you, and you have a great night.